Hello guys, my name is Surya sir and today in this particular video we'll talk about the CAT 2021. So friends, जैसे कि आप जानते हो CAT को लेकर सारे डेट्स आउट हो चुके हैं. नाउ रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस डेट इज ऑलरेडी आउट, जो कि डेट है 4th of August एंड 10 AM ऑनवर्ड्स आपके फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो चुका है. ओके गाइस, सो इफ यू वांट टू एंटर इनटू द IIMs तो आपको प्रिपरेशन करना होगा फॉर CAT Common Admission Test, one of the best exam with respect to the MBA programs. So wanna preparation for CAT? Guys, watch this particular video till the end, जहां आपको पता चलेगा फॉर्म फिलअप कैसे करना है, which are the important steps included in it, and which are the documents you must require. So let's see the step-by-step form filling process till the end. And before moving further, we have launched the batches for all MBA entrance preparations. You can prepare with us for CAT, Maharashtra MBA CET, CMAT, MAT, ATMA, TIS, NMAT, SNAP, IIT, SAT and various other entrance exams are there. So wanna start the preparation? You can interact live with us. You will receive the books at your doorstep. You will learn various shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts. Throughout this period, you will solve around 10,000 plus questions and a lot of data for the practice purpose, and you will also get the mentorship by our experts. And along with preparation, you will also get the preparation for the VAT, PI and the GD, whatever selection criteria the institute will include. Okay, so guys, the batches are going to start from the mid of August. This is the 90 days marathon and whose destiny is nothing but to enter into the top IIMs. So let's start the form filling process in detail. So let's open the official website first. So right now we are on official website iimcat.ac.in. ओके, नाउ यहाँ आपको कुछ दिखता होगा न्यू कैंडिडेट रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस एंड द रजिस्टर्ड कैंडिडेट लॉगिन, कैट 2020 का स्कोर कार्ड, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर नॉन IIMs इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर कैट 2021, वो आपके लिए नहीं है गाइस. सो वेरी फर्स्ट वन, दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो चुका है फ्रॉम 4th of August. Thereafter it will last till the 15th of September. 27th of October admit card will be released, so आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. And thereafter exam will be held on the 28th of November. So guys, जैसे कि मैंने बोला 90 days का preparation अगर आप करोगे, if you will give your 100% in these 90 days, then guys definitely आपका admission top IIM में होना पक्का है. So let's start the form filling process. Now very first one, guys, just scroll down and read all these details very carefully. सारे PDF दिए गए हैं with respect to selection criteria, eligibility, advertisement, important video guide, important documents and everything. So first of all, ये सारी PDF को go through कर लो. What are the instruction given with respect to the CAT 2021? सारे एक बार देख लो and then start the form filling process. अगर इनसे भी details ना मिल सके guys, then watch this particular video till the end. कैसे form fill up करना है and then start your form filling process. Okay, so just click on new candidate registration. So यहाँ कुछ नोट दी गई है. The recommended browser to fill the form and the fields marked with star are mandatory. So उनको तो fill up करना जरूरी है. Close it. Okay. Now, so क्या requirement होगी with respect to your personal data, applicant name, date of birth, mobile number and email address. Okay. Just close. So kindly go through all these instructions. Register to get the user ID and password. अब आपको user ID and password मिलने वाला है आपके registered email ID पर. Now candidate name should be entered exactly as it is on 10th standard. Okay, 10th standard की आपके मार्कशीट या फिर सर्टिफिकेट पे जो भी नाम लिखा गया है, जैसे भी लिखा गया है, बस आपको वैसे एंटर करना है. Now enter date of birth, thereafter email address. So friends, यहाँ जो आप email ID प्रोवाइड करने वाले हो, make sure कि ये throughout this process पूरा एक्टिव रहे, क्योंकि आपके जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होने वाले हैं, you will get all the updates on this particular email ID. Okay, confirm email address, select country, mobile number and confirm your mobile number, and thereafter generate the OTP. Okay, I hereby declare that I have carefully read all the instructions. ये आपको पढ़ लेना है. Type 7 characters as shown in image. Now enter this particular captcha. I agree and submit. So kindly use OTP received on your mobile number or the email address. अब आपको respective OTP मिलने वाला है. Okay guys, so very first one, जैसे ही आप नंबर यहाँ एंटर करोगे, thereafter you have to click on the generate OTP. Then आपको captcha enter करना है. Okay, and thereafter you have to enter the OTP here. Okay, thereafter validate OTP, enter captcha, I agree and submit. So it says OTP has been validated successfully. Okay, now enter the captcha here, I agree and the submit. So registration process is completed. Okay, you can save on your respective laptop or the PC. Now registration successful. User ID and password has been sent to the registered email address. So user ID और password दोनों मिल चुका है आपको. Okay, and registered mobile number. Overseas candidates will receive both user ID and password on the registered email address only. Okay, close it. Now these all are the personal details I have filled right now, and now we'll click here, go to the application form. Now you got the user ID and the password also. So आप इसे क्लोज भी कर सकते हो, वहां से तुरंत लॉगिन भी कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम योर मेल. अदरवाइज जो डिटेल्स यहाँ फिलअप की है, ओके, यू कैन कैरी फॉरवर्ड. कैंडिडेट्स नेम, कैंडिडेट सरनेम और द फर्स्ट नेम, ये मैंडेटरी है. सो गाइस यहाँ एंटर करना है आपको सिर्फ सरनेम, ओके, नॉट द फर्स्ट नेम, क्योंकि आपने ऊपर कैंडिडेट नेम यहाँ सेलेक्ट कर लिया है, आप इसे एडिट नहीं कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर सरनेम हियर. फादर्स और गार्डियंस नेम, मदर्स नेम, स्पाउस नेम, अदर पर्सनल डिटेल्स, ओके, कैंडिडेट जेंडर, nationality, category. Now respective category जो भी आप चूज कर रहे हो, you should have that particular document with you. Okay, caste validity certificate, caste certificate and the non-criminal certificate. If you are choosing EWS, then you should have the EWS certificate, the income certificate, right? Now select your category. Do you belong to person with disability? Yes or no, select accordingly. Communication address, enter a valid address as it will be used for the further communication. So जो भी address आप अभी enter कर रहे हो, it should be valid. Okay, address line, select state or union territory, then district, town or city, pin code. So guys, these all details are mandatory. You have to fill all these details whichever star mark. Okay, primary email address. Now alternate email address not mandatory, आप provide कर सकते हो, otherwise कोई बात नहीं. Now emergency contact details. Okay, this is mandatory, and relationship with the candidate. Now you have to upload the documents. So scanning of a photograph, signature and SC, ST, NC, OBC, PWD, EWS certificate should be done using a scanner only. Please do not use a mobile phone or other mobile applications to scan your photograph, because you will not get the clear photos. So that's why use the scanner. Okay, कोई problem नहीं है guys. Use scanner, make the PDF files, save it on the desktop, so you can easily upload all those things. Please click here for photo specification and the sample of photos, which are the dimension required. So just click here. Please upload scanned copy of passport size photograph and the signature. Okay, click here to upload. Now let's select the photograph, drag and drop file here. Okay, so image has been uploaded. Now signature. So you can also get the dimension over here. Please upload your recent passport size photograph. Photograph should not be more than 6 months old. Okay, maximum file size should be the 1 MB. Okay, all dimensions are given here. Now signature. Now close. Okay, so photograph and signature have been uploaded. Now save and continue. So data saved successfully. Now click here if you have more than one bachelor degree, for example BCom, LLB, and now we have to fill the academic details. So very first one, in case of grades or CGPA, the conversion to percentage of marks would be based on the procedure as certified by the respective board, university or the institutions. So अगर आपके पास marks नहीं है, CGPA है, then if you want a conversion certificate, then guys ask your college, respective college, जो आपको conversion certificate बनाकर दे देगा as per the university policy. Okay, and then enter all those marks. So if any board, university or institution confirms that there is no scheme for converting CGPA into equivalent marks, the equivalence would be established by dividing the candidate's CGPA by the maximum possible CGPA, जो भी होगा 10, and multiply the results with the 100. Okay, so you will get the respective percent. So the conversion of CGPA to the marks clearly mentioned over here. Whatever CGPA you got, multiply it by 10, divide it by maximum possible CGPA, जो भी होगा out of 10 होगा, तो 6.5 divided by 10 into 100. Okay, so you will get the respective percentage 65%. Okay, now SSC 10th or equivalent details, board name, month, year of completion, maximum marks inclusive of all subjects. Okay, so do not fill out of 4 or out of 5, maximum marks with respect to all the subjects, total marks obtained and the percentage, aggregate percentage. Okay, now HSC 12th equivalent or diploma course details. So course type either 12th किया आपने या diploma, you have to select. 12th equivalent board name, month, year completion, discipline, arts, commerce, science and others. You have to select maximum marks inclusive of all subjects, enter maximum marks, total marks obtained and aggregate percentage. Okay, thereafter bachelor's degree details. So are you in the final year of bachelor degree? If yes, then you can select yes. आपको कोई फिलअप करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको कुछ मार्क्स एंटर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अदरवाइज नो, तो आपको मार्क्स एंटर करने होंगे. हैव यू कंप्लीटेड बैचलर्स डिग्री? यस और नो? यस. ओके, so you have to enter all these things. If you will select are you in the final year of bachelor's degree, if you will select yes, then you have to fill all these details: current semester, aggregate marks, type of university. Okay, if you select no over here and then have you completed bachelor's degree, तो complete हो चुका है, then that means previously. Okay, so yes, total duration degree 3 years, 4 years. Okay, you can select maximum percentage awarded by the university or the institute, type of university or institute, central, deemed, private, state university. Okay, state, union territory, state, then university, institute name, name of college or institute, degree name. Okay, so select your respective degree. Discipline, select the discipline. Now month or year of course commencement, month or year of completion. Okay, so यहाँ आपको एंटर करना है month or year of commencement and here completion. Okay, do you have or are you undergoing dual or 5-year integrated course? Yes or no? So अब यहाँ क्या होने वाला, if you have pursued the 5-year integrated program, then you have to select yes over here. So what it will be happen, you have to enter the details of your second bachelor's degree. Okay, now if you have dual degree with both a bachelor's and master degree like BTech, MTech or BTech, MSc, enter the appropriate details in the bachelor's and master degree section. Click here. If you have more than one bachelor's degree, for example BCom plus LLB, B Bachelor of Engineering plus B Farm, अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ किया है तो आप एंटर कर सकते हो. Click over here. So if you will click here, then it will ask you about second bachelor's degree details. If not, then it's okay. Don't click here. Master degree details. Do you want to enter the master degree details? अभी आपके ऊपर है आपको एंटर करना या नहीं. Yes, then fill all these details. Aggregate marks, type university, state, again you have to fill all the same details: university, name of college, degree name, discipline, month, year of commencement and year of completion. Okay, now other professional degrees. Are you a fellow of the Institute of Actuaries of India? Yes or no? Do you want to enter any professional degree details such as CA, CS, ICWA? Yes or no? आप select कर सकते हो. Okay, so जो भी professional degrees आपने pursue की है, you can also enter all these details. अगर मैं यहाँ yes कर लेता हूँ, okay, I have to fill all these marks. Okay, same way here, I have to fill all these details. Okay friends, now save and continue. Master degree completion status: completed or in progress. In progress है तो आप enter कर सकते हो. You can click here, or otherwise completed, then you can select here. Okay, it will also ask you about the work experience. अगर आपके पास work experience है आप वो भी enter कर सकते हो. Right, so total duration of degree, aggregate marks, type of university, state, you have to fill the same details as we filled in the bachelor's degree: university, name of college or institute, discipline, month, year, course of commencement, month, year of. Now other professional degrees, if you want to fill up all these details, yes, are you a fellow in the Institute of Actuaries of India, आप select कर सकते हो और आप उसके respective marks enter कर सकते हो. Right, and if you select no, then आपको कुछ fill up करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Same, if you have some professional degrees such as CA, CS और ICWA, आप select कर सकते हो, ये सारी details fill कर सकते हो, otherwise no, and save and continue. Now it says data saved successfully. Now we have to enter the work experience in days as on 31st of July 2021. तब तक आपके पास कौन कौन से work experience है, you can fill up all this. Okay, so select your industry type here, completion, start date. Okay, so आपको respective date select करनी है, then end date. Okay, break in experience and experience in days. तो सारी डिटेल्स आपको एंटर करनी है गाइस. ओके, सो मेक श्योर यहाँ कुछ मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग योर इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस आप वर्क एक्सपीरियंस के लेटर भी साथ में लेकर जाओगे, सो डेट्स शुड बी मैच. ओके, ब्रेक इन एक्सपीरियंस 0, 1, 2, 3 जो भी आपने ब्रेक लिया है वो आप यहाँ एंटर कर सकते हो. ओके, सो एक्सपीरियंस इन डेज ओवरऑल 1976 डेज, ये ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट कर लेगा. ओके, नाउ save and continue. Data saved successfully. Now give your interview city preferences. Applicant can select any number of programs. For each program selected, kindly select an interview city as well. Program select करना है and then interview city as well, and number of programs you can select. Okay, now here we have to select the program and the interview city respectively. So applicant can select any number of programs. For each program selected, kindly select an interview city as well. Please note that this list of interview cities is tentative and candidate's preference may be used if the institute holds interviews in that particular city. So आप respective program select कर सकते हो. Okay, like here I am selecting, if मैं select कर लूँ I am Ahmedabad PGP course, interview city, you have to select, okay, 2 cities and you can select any number of preferences. Okay, so select your respective IIM, जिस पर्टिकुलर IIM में आपको जाना है उसके लिए 2 सिटी प्रेफरेंसेस आपको देने हैं. So give your respective preferences and select your respective programs and thereafter save and continue. Okay, now here I want to give the city preferences for the test. That was with respect to the interview, and now it is with respect to the test. So preferred test city 1, give all the nearby preferences. Let's say I am in Mumbai, so I am selecting here Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, thereafter Indore, thereafter Pune. Okay, 6 preferences you have to give: Surat and Ahmedabad, so nearby my place. Okay, so all nearby cities. Now save and continue. And now last step is nothing but the payment process. So you have to pay 2200 rupees. Now if you belongs to SC/ST category, then you have to pay the 1100 rupees. Okay, so whichever the payment gateway you want to use, you can use all those things. So more details on applicable registration fees, please refer to the frequently asked questions registration guide provided in CAT 2021 website. Okay, अगर आपको लग रहा है ये मेरी फीस काफी हाई है, सो यू कैन चेक द रिस्पेक्टिव पीडीएफ जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बता दी थी आपको. सो गाइस, वेरी फर्स्ट वन, अगर फॉर्म फिलअप करना है, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू एनी मिस्टेक्स इन द कंप्लीट फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस, देन गाइस यू शुड रेफर ऑल दोस पीडीएफ जो मैंने आपको पहले बता दी थी, राइट. सो पेमेंट डिटेल्स, पेमेंट मोड, यू कैन सेलेक्ट एनी वन, टाइप captcha, respective captcha here, click on declaration here, and then click on I agree, and you can see the preview of your application form. Okay, if all these details are correct, then click over submit. So this is all about the step-by-step form filling process, guys. If you have any doubts and queries in your mind, just ask me in the below comment section. And wanna prepare for the CAT, you can call on 8285-1455, as our batches are going to start from the mid of August. So 90 days marathon to enter into the IIM. So call on all these respective numbers or visit our website manualdu.com for all exam updates and the notifications. You can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's it from the today's video, guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.